Welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of struggling with endless cleaning tasks around the house? Well, today's your lucky day. In this video, we're showcasing 10 clever home cleaning gadgets that will revolutionize the way you clean. From powerful steam cleaners to innovative tools designed to tackle every mess, these gadgets will make cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient. Stay tuned as we reveal the best gadgets to transform your cleaning routine. Let's dive in. Say goodbye to messy and exhausting floor cleaning with the O-Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket System. Get thorough cleaning with less effort thanks to its built-in hands-free wringer and splash guard that keeps water contained while wringing. The foot pedal allows easy wringing, giving you full control over the moisture level of your mop. Its machine-washable microfiber head captures dirt and grime using just water, making it safe for all hard floors. Made of powerful and absorbent microfiber, this mop removes over 99% of bacteria without chemicals. The triangular 360-degree head is perfect for corner cleaning, ensuring no spot is left behind. Plus, you'll never have to touch a dirty mop again. Simply remove, wash, and reuse it again and again for a fresh clean every time. The 360-degree rotatable adjustable cleaning mop makes cleaning effortless with its rotating triangular mop head designed to reach every corner. Perfect for wet and dry cleaning, its super absorbent microfiber pads trap dust, dirt, and pet hair with ease. The slidable automatic wringing system removes excess water with a simple pull, no bucket needed. Ideal for all hard surfaces, including tile, laminate, and stone, this durable stainless steel mop is built to last. Its machine-washable microfiber cloths can be reused multiple times, making it a versatile tool for floors, walls, windows, and ceilings. Get the ultimate cleaning solution with the Mzani 5-in-1 Bed Vacuum Cleaner. Its cordless and lightweight design allows for easy handling, while the one-click start and two-speed adjustment with a digital display offer convenient control. With full monitoring of ambient humidity, UVC light, ultrasonic technology, and 16 kPa powerful suction, it effectively removes dust, pet hair, and more from your mattress. The 16,000 PA suction ensures no small particles are left behind. The HEPA filtration captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns for a healthier home. With a visual dust cap, washable filter, and 30-minute battery life, the Mzani 5-in-1 Bed Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect cleaning companion. Turn cleaning into a hands-free task with Mop Slippers. With the amazing Mop Slipper, cleaning is now a breeze. You can go about your daily life and clean at the same time, even while eating. You can even clean while you clean. Made from non-abrasive, ultra-soft microfiber, they trap dust, dirt, and hair effortlessly. Plus, they'll keep your feet warm while you mop. Machine washable and reusable, these slippers can also be attached to a mop head for multifunctional cleaning, making them a fun and practical tool for any home. Powerful cleaning with the Weasel Steam Shot OmniReach. Tackle dirt and grime with 1000 watts of natural steam power. No chemicals needed. The on-demand steam trigger lets you control high-pressure, high-temperature steam for precise cleaning. Equipped with 10 multi-surface tools, including a jet nozzle, flat scraping tool, angle concentrator tool, grout brush, and 3 color-coded round brushes, designated for specific rooms or different messes. This handheld steam cleaner makes cleaning effortless. With a large water tank and an extra-long power cord, enjoy continuous and convenient cleaning with the Weasel Steam Shot. Keep your earbuds spotless with the Hagibis Cleaning Pen. The 3-in-1 dual-head design includes a flocking sponge, high-density brush, and metal pen tip, perfect for all cleaning needs. The delicate flocking sponge removes dust from the wireless charging case, while the high-density brush cleans the sound outlet and other parts with ease. For stubborn dust, the metal pen tip reaches deep into gaps for a thorough clean. With an embedded handle for easy use, this tool ensures your earbuds stay fresh and dirt-free. Make cleaning glasses effortless with the BUI Automatic Glass Rinser. This powerful stainless steel cup washer attaches easily to your kitchen sink and is designed to clean deep inside glasses, bottles, and baby bottles with its special holes. Made from premium 306 stainless steel, it's durable and built for over 1,000 uses. Simply grab your cup, push it onto the rinser, and let it work its magic. With an easy installation process, this glass washer is the perfect addition to your kitchen for fast, efficient, and mess-free cleaning. Say goodbye to tedious hand washing and hello to convenience. Clear stubborn clogs effortlessly with the Flexi Snake Drain Weasel. Eliminate clogs in bathroom sinks, showers, tubs, and laundry sinks with ease. Easy to use in just 3 steps. Simply insert, spin, and remove to tackle hair and grime instantly. Designed to work in hard-to-reach spots, its quick connect handle ensures smooth operation. The reusable design makes it a cost-effective and easy-to-use solution for maintaining clear drains. Keep your pipes flowing freely without the need for harsh chemicals. Make bathroom cleaning a breeze with the O-Cedar Toilet Plunger and Bowl Brush combo. This 2-in-1 set includes a high-efficiency toilet brush and a powerful toilet plunger, both stored in a space-saving, stylish holder. The heavy-duty plunger features a commercial-grade rubber suction cup, providing maximum power for tough clogs in toilets, sinks, and shower drains. The toilet bowl brush has dense, durable nylon bristles for deep cleaning, especially in hard-to-reach areas. Water drafts into the holder, keeping your floor dry and clean. Crafted from sturdy plastic and high-grade rubber, this combo is ideal for both residential and commercial use. Effortless cleaning with the Shark Steam Mop. Clean and sanitize with just water, no chemicals, no residue. Ready to clean in just 30 seconds, making it quick and hassle-free. Easily remove grease and grime on all sealed floors, including hardwood, tile, and laminate. The dirt grip pads provide maximum absorption, adding scrubbing power for stuck-on stains. Plus, they're 100% washable, so you can use them again and again. With an extra-large water tank, refill less and clean more. The power of steam made easy. Clean smarter with Shark. That wraps up our list of 10 clever home cleaning gadgets that will make your life a whole lot easier. If you found these gadgets helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech and home solutions. Have any favorite cleaning gadgets of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy cleaning.